Pinpoint weather on NBC5 News is brought to you by the Cow Creek Umpqua Tribe.
Hey, welcome back at NBC5. We got the cloud covered this morning, a few showers continuing and some pretty dense fog in parts of the area as well. Manorcam actually getting above those low clouds this morning. Again, the visibility at the airport has improved over the last hour, now at 3 miles, but still some patchy dense fog if you are hitting the roads this morning. Remember, conditions to our north much worse than it is here. Ice on the roads up there going up towards Eugene, Portland area, and a thick layer of ice, which means the continuation of some icy roads pretty much through today up there. 42 degrees right now. That is 2 degrees warmer than we were this hour yesterday. The seasonal average high temperature for Medford is 46. So yes, a very mild start for this morning. Still chilly. Grab the coat out there. And we are much warmer than much of the nation this morning. Look at these temperatures out east. We're seeing below zero temperatures, 3 below in Kansas City, 6 below in Denver, 9 below Minneapolis. Now, some of the spots definitely a little bit warmer than yesterday morning. Billings, Montana, still 12 below zero. Now, these are current temperatures. This does not include the wind because it makes it feel even colder out there. And again, if you're going to be traveling here today, it might just be better to stay here in Medford. Look at this, 40s and lower 50s. We're seeing 50s across the West Coast. Phoenix at 70 degrees, Miami 81. Those are your warm spots. The rest of the nation, yeah, dealing with that very, very cold air. And Doppler radar, we actually do have a warm front pushing across our region, and that is the good news. We will start to see conditions kind of improving around the Eugene area. Still expecting some freezing rain to stick around for this afternoon. Portland up to Washington, you're seeing that scattered snow showers, mixed precipitation, and rainfall. And look what happens through today. That heavier precipitation continues pushing out to the east, but additional showers filling in behind it. And they're still going to be locked in with some cold air around the Portland area. So that potential for some additional ice continues here today. But you are seeing things kind of improving for Eugene. So if you are traveling up that way, might be better to wait until the afternoon hours heading up that way. We'll actually see warming temperatures into Saturday as well. And you start to see this next round of rain moving in, covering the northwest. And with this, we're going to be on the tail end of it. We'll still see some rain, some good rain amounts, especially for the coastline up into Douglas County and further north. But we will be on the tail end of it, as you're seeing, as it pushes to the south and the east. That rain kind of diminishes, and we see just that little blip of showers. Now, as we get into Sunday, conditions continue to stay nice. We stay cloudy, though, for Christmas with that potential for some fog in the morning hours. Then activity picks up, especially Monday night into Tuesday. A couple of systems going to be moving through, bringing in widespread, heavier amounts of precipitation and stronger wind speeds. And we still stick around with those rain chances all the way through next week. As we look at that 7-day forecast, you are seeing some lower to mid 50s through this weekend. So a warm one with snow levels 6,000 to 8,000 feet high and morning lows into the lower 40s. Again, well above the seasonal high for this time of year. We do start to drop off upper 40s into the middle half of next week. Again, more rain, heavier at times for parts of our area, and stronger wind speeds, especially for the Klamath Basin. And you're seeing that change over by Wednesday, maybe late Tuesday night, for rain and snow showers, because those snow levels will start to drop off. Northern California getting into the 50s pretty much for this weekend into the start of next week. Still hovering around 49 for the next couple of days. Still a chance of showers Saturday, but more rain into next week. And you see showers likely for the coastline today, picking up again later Saturdays, and then again later Sunday. Heavier rain at times, especially on Tuesday. Windy conditions as well, and highs will be dropping into the mid 50s. Morning lows still into the lower 50s.